just celebrating several wins or just being attentive at several competitions is, I mean, it can be helpful, but not in a way that, you know, India should be. गाँव में कभी पूछ रहे थे कि बेटा क्या करते हो, तो जब मैं बोलती थी कि भाई मतलब ऐसे शूटिंग करते हैं, तो उनको लगता था पता नहीं किस एडवर्टाइजमेंट की या किस मूवी की या किस चीज़ की शूटिंग है, तो वो कभी सोचते ही नहीं थे कि एक गेम भी है. दिस इज मनु भाकर फॉर ब्रूट.
खड़ी आँख देख जट दी लाल सुहा रंग ना तू चोरी चोरी खंग सानू.
Shooting gave me the life. I mean, shooting gave me everything that I have today. But I do not think about what it did not give me or what it took, what it took away from me. I mean, like maybe friends, maybe the normal school, college life. But I do not have any regrets, and I'm really happy that I'm still shooting, and I will continue to do so for a long time. So honestly, in school times, I was never able to make friends. Maybe one friend I have from school. Then college, I don't have any friends at all. One person was like, she was helping me throughout my exams and assignments and all. So actually, I mean like school life and college life, as in that I was not able to spend time with my schoolmates or my classmates or my college mates. But I have like 2 friends in total. So it's not like I regret it or anything. I mean, 2 friends I have, and I'm really grateful. They have been wonderful and always been there for my journey. See, every person feels lonely at times, but it's not like you're the only one who feels that way. And it's like sometimes you feel low, sometimes you feel good. So it's just matter of mood and matter of how you feel. But for me personally, I think I have my family, I have my friends to back me up. I'll probably be doing like painting or playing violin or doing some dance form, probably horseback riding or just fitness. I think within 2-3 years I was like, okay, it's going serious now. I was actually going with the flow. So it started to become more and more serious. I was shooting senior events, I was shooting like Commonwealth Games, Asian Games and all. That time I was like, okay, it's a transparent sport, it's a good sport, no age limit at all, no weight barriers, so just go with the flow. So I just kept going with the flow. I do not like to talk when I'm shooting, I do not like to be socially engaged when I'm at the range. But out of it, I think I'm a very chill kind of person. I'll probably crack dad jokes. I watch a lot of stand-up comedy also, so I'm a very simple and like fun-loving, easygoing kind of person, I would say, but others would be able to tell better.
Can I go where
मुझे एक्चुअली शूटिंग बहुत ही कूल लगता था. मुझे कूल लगता था इन द सेंस जब मैं दूसरों को बताती थी, स्पेशली जैसे कोई गांव में कभी पूछ रहे थे कि बेटा क्या करते हो, तो जब मैं बोलती थी कि भाई मतलब ऐसे शूटिंग करते हैं, तो उनको लगता था पता नहीं किस एडवर्टाइजमेंट की या किस मूवी की या किस चीज़ की शूटिंग है, तो वो कभी सोचते ही नहीं थे कि एक गेम भी है. तो वो बताना मुझे बहुत कूल लगता था कि हम ना बंदूकें वगैरह होती हैं, गोलियाँ चलाते हैं हम, तो वो एक खेल है, वो करते हैं, तो वो बहुत कूल लगता था मुझे. घी मक्खन तो डेफिनेटली रहेगा, एंड दूध दही मक्खन और लस्सी, ये सब तो इट्स लाइक आई कांट लिव विदाउट इट. आई कांट हैव माई लंच विदाउट इट, आई कांट ईट विदाउट इट. सो ये बिल्कुल रहेगा हमेशा. See, honestly, if we want India to become a sporting nation, we definitely need to do a lot in that forte, and just celebrating several wins or just being attentive at several competitions is, I mean, it can be helpful, but not in a way that, you know, India should be, because India has a huge potential, so many people, so much of talent, and so many aspiring athletes also. So we have a huge scope of growth. So we must also focus on that how to become a sporting nation. Many things needs to be done.